life to study peak performers. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Bryant.
Give me a definition of leadership. And we can get into it. There are older versus new, so close, and still that is fun.
I'm going to share with you just two tables, one for all of Region 8 and then one for North Dakota, because I think it is telling.
It lists the conditions that we do treat at Shriners Healthcare for Children. It's a pretty inclusive list.
Thank you for letting me be here with you. And I'm going to talk a bit about my thoughts about what it takes to build healthy communities. And there's no question that where you live is a major contributor to your health and well-being.
First, we're going to medical treatment in the physical.
Change of our biggest priority was to make sure that public health is made whole, because they are integral in the health care delivery in North Dakota.
I am so delighted to be at the Dakota Conference. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Maryland Cannabis Program.